Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss math library functions of the Python. Python standard library provides a math module for math related function that work with numbers except complex number, which means Python provides a library for performing the mathematical operations or mathematical work, and this is the inbuilt function, and you can just call the function and use it. Let's see here. I'm taking here a simple example of the sqrt. Look here. First of all, we need to import the math module. Just write here import and then math, and then write here the s equal math.sqrt. You must write here the math and then dot with the function. The function name is sqrt, and write here the argument or the value on which you want to get the square root. Now I'm just given here the 16 value, and the sqrt function just return the sqrt of the 16, means 4 value assigned into the s variable, and with the help of print function print the value of s as a 4. The result is 4.0. Now come to the next page. You will understand the sqrt function. Now cell function. The cell function returns the smallest integer not less than number, which means just write here the math dot cell function and then within the bracket 1.03. So the result is 2.0. This is the smallest integer not less than the number. Now fab function. The fab function returns the absolute value of the number. Look here, math.fabs 1.0. The absolute value is 1.0. Now math.fabs minus 1.0. The result is 1.0. The absolute value is 1.0. Floor value. The floor function returns the largest integer not greater than number. Math.floor 1.03. The result is 1.0, which means the largest integer not greater than number, which means the number is 1.03. So the largest integer number is 1.0, which is not greater than 1.03. Now power function. The power function returns base raised to the exp power. Math.power 2.0, 2. This is the base and this is the power. The result is 2 to the power 2. The result is 4. Now the other functions like degrees, radians, 10, cos, sine, log also available in the math library functions. Now I'm just going to use of the sqrt function with the help of Python script file. Just call here the import and then math module, and then write here s equals to math dot sqrt, and then write here the 16 value and print the value of s and save it and run it. Just run it. The result is 4.0. Now I'm going to use the pow function here. Just write here the pow and write here 2.0, 2.0, and the power as a 2. Now run it, and you will get the result as a 4.0, which means 2 to the power 2, which is 4. If you write here the 3, then it will returns the result as a 8. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.